Cooking fires are the #1 cause of house fires in America. They displace families from their homes, and worse, people can be injured or even die. The average person is not trained to deal with cooking fires. As a result, they can spread the fire and make the situation worse. Many products on the market today are designed to fight the fire after it has already begun. When the fire begins, you may have less than 30 seconds to react before the fire spreads. Would you know what to do? Other products tackle the fire before it begins by turning your burner off and on again to keep the heat down. The problem with these burners is that they do not cook well. There is a better way. GOLi CTL technology cooks at a constant temperature, ensuring you get a responsive, even cooking experience without the drama of a dangerous fire. So avoid the drama altogether and enjoy the cooking experience you expect from your burner. Choose GOLi. No fire, no drama.